In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your vapor canister purge solenoid on your Kia Soul. It's located under the hood. Take off your engine cover by pulling up on it. Set it off to the side, and now we're going to disconnect our connector here. I put a little penetrating oil for my clamps and here, and now we're going to disconnect our connector here. Push down on the connector and push it off. Put it off to the side. Now we're going to take off our two hose clamps, squeeze, and pull them down. Now we're going to twist this to break it free. You may have to twist and pull at the same time. I'm using needle nose pliers. It's pretty long, so make sure you have your hose clamp all the way down. And do the same on the other side. And just pull it off and set it down over there. Now we're going to pry it off of this holder. You can either try just pulling it up like that, and if it's stuck, you can put a pry bar in there as long as you don't break the bracket. First, you're going to slide this down on the bracket just by pushing down. If you need, you can add a little oil or something to slide it in there. Plug in your connector. Make sure you hear that click. Now we're going to connect our hose. Make sure you have the right hose in the right spot. So the one on the side is obviously for the side, running up this way, and the one in the front goes to this one. Slide that on and put your hose clamp back. Make sure everything's secure. After you've put all that on, everything's connected, you're going to put your engine cover back on, lining up the 4 grommets with the 4 nubs. Go for the 2 in the back, and the 2 in the front should line up. Push in. Start your vehicle, take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.